Hello everyone, I'm Tianyue Li from Songnam, based in Edinburgh, Scotland. We do a lot of research and also development, and also we produce the heat batteries, which is to store heat in a very efficient, clean, and cost-effective way. And today I'm here in the Heat Pump Forum because we do a lot of combination with the green energy which is produced by the heat pump connected to our heat batteries to produce the energy efficient solution and also very green solution to the globe. So we also focus on the life cycle and wider system approaches to energy efficiency. Thank you.